Well, what a delicious dish Mama Ezzat is going to teach you today. A stuffed eggplant.
Hello, welcome to the Mama Ezzat Grandma's Kitchen.
You'll need pomegranate, aromatic herbs. I list the ingredients in the description. Walnut, tomato paste, garlic, onion, and eggplants. First, we peel the eggplants. And as you can see, we don't completely remove the top. Here I ask my dear Mama Ezzat to give us a little smile. You need to make a lengthwise cut in the middle of the eggplant, basically along its belly. Did you see my grandma's adorable parrot? Now we need to let the eggplants fry. Mama Ezzat emphasized that I tasted the eggplant and it was sweet, so I didn't soak it in water. But if it's bitter, you should definitely soak it in water. We peel the garlic. We need 4 garlics. Then finely chop the onion and the garlic. The eggplants are fried perfectly. And we grind the walnuts. Mix the aromatic herbs, tomato paste, and pomegranate. My grandma is going to teach you lots of exciting dishes. So make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Add the ground walnut and mix everything again. Now first we saute the onions in a pan, and once they start to change color, we add the garlics. Mama Ezzat asked me to tell you that she is going to teach you a ton of different dishes, both with meat and vegetarians. My grandma gets so excited when I'm filming her that she forgets some things. So my aunt was there to remind her. Oh, I forgot to tell you, add the turmeric and salt. Now add the exciting mix of pomegranate, walnuts, tomato paste, and aromatic herbs. You need to fill the eggplants with delicious mixture we cut open earlier. We saute the tomato paste to make a delicious sauce for this stuffed eggplant. Salt it well and after that add turmeric. My aunt was telling let's make tea because my grandmother was so tired. After turmeric, add the salt and mix it well. Just look at the color of the sauce. So beautiful. Add water and let it come to a boil. Place the stuffed eggplant into the simmering sauce. You can't even imagine how delicious it would be. After about 15 minutes, we serve it in a nice dish. And we garnish it nicely with the sauce. I hope you make it, enjoy it with your loved ones, and have a wonderful time.